Want to know which certifications can actually boost your data engineering career and how to position your career in the right way? In this video, you will understand the key certifications, career transition strategies, and what really matters to become industry ready. So stay till the end. There's much more in the roadmap than most people realize. If you are in IT and still stuck in the same salary, not getting enough interview calls, listen carefully. Right now, there are two types of people. Those who keep waiting and those who upgrade their skills and move into high-paying roles, earning 15 to 45 plus LPA because the market has already shifted. Cloud, data, AI, DevOps. These are the roles driving real career growth today. At Coding Superstars, we have helped thousands of professionals move into top tech roles.
I got placed in IBEX Labs. Previously, my package was 8 lakhs. Now it is around 14 lakhs. Thanks for the Coding Superstar for the guidance, and the course is very worth it.
I have accepted a position as a DevOps engineer at NTI Mindtree. The skills which were taught by Coding Superstar were directly applicable to the role, and I'm confident that they will be essential for my success.
Recognized by Silicon India as one of the top 10 cloud computing training firms in India. People who once had zero coding experience are now working in top companies like Microsoft, Accenture, TCS, Infosys, and more. This is not just another course. This is your path to becoming industry ready. So watch this till the end.
Next, we'll be getting into certifications. In certifications, we'll be covering 7 certifications. As you can see that these are the 7 certifications we'll be covering. Out of these 7 certifications, okay, what are the certifications you must clear? You must clear these 2 certifications, must and should. DP-700, that is Data Fabric Engineer, and AZ-400, that is Azure DevOps Engineer. Okay, so maybe these are the, if you guys want, you can take a screenshot of this. Okay, so then comes how to clear the certification. Out of you need to score 70% marks to clear the certification. Whatever the MCQs and tests and exam preparation, whatever is required, will be helping you. Okay, do that. Okay, then you have to show 1 to 2 years of experience, or 3 or 4 or 5 years of experience as a data engineer. Okay, then maybe that you have to show experience. Show experience in the sense, maybe that you have to show that you are already working as a data engineer. How do you show that? For example, just imagine that you are working in TCS. Okay, if you have 10 years of experience as a support engineer. So now you have to show out of 10 years of experience as a support engineer, you have to show last 2 to 3 years you worked as a data engineer. Okay, how do you do that? With the help of IJP, internal job posting. That means internally you have to say that in TCS you got an opportunity to work on this data engineering part. How to do this and all, we'll guide you on that part. And those next step is for those who have a career gap. If you have a career gap, then if you have a career gap, then you have to fill the career gap. Okay, how to fill the career gap? First step is free approach. Then you have to create you have to project yourself as a freelancer by creating a profile in freelancer.com. Okay, by projecting yourself as freelance data consultant. The second approach is it's a paid approach. You have to pay some XYZ amount to some vendors. We do not do that. If you want, we can refer. So where they will give you some genuine PF accounts. Okay, with the help of genuine PF accounts, in the sense they'll be giving you offer letter, relieving letters, hike letters, salary slips, form 16 HR and everything. So with the help of it, they will be even doing the proper background verification. For this is only for people who have a career gap. Okay, so for those who have a career gap, you guys can take a screenshot of this. For those who have a career gap, just take a screenshot of this so that you can connect with the team at a later moment of time.